enjoy the fact that home decor from the 1940s and 50s can be upcycled or repurposed into design elements that are really relevant for today. Hello everyone and welcome back. So a couple of years ago, these orbs started popping up on Pinterest, design websites, and in catalogs, and I was thinking, oh, like these are really cool. Then I began to see them as light fixtures, and I decided that I wanted one for my home. So in today's DIY upcycle, we're going to talk about, and I'm going to show you how you can actually create a light fixture like one of these orbs for your home. It actually changes the light fixture that's in this home into one that's similar to this, but a budget version that won't break the bank. So we're going to create this light fixture using 6 18-inch embroidery hoops. I purchased these hoops from Hobby Lobby for $6.99 each. I have links in the description box to purchase these items online. I will be using the Hyper Tough spring clamps to hold the orbs together. Okay, so let me show you all this. Here you have these knobs, and they are held on by staples. And to remove these pieces, you'll want to take a flathead screwdriver and stick it under and then lift up. And you will see that it will begin to separate. But put the screwdriver under here, then lift up. You see it begins to separate. Up. So if it doesn't come out, we'll push this down on the concrete to get them to come out. So now we're going to get ready to stain our hoops. I find that using a rag with this stain is the most effective way of getting the job done. Okay, so I actually have some lost footage. The first attempt to put these hoops together, I actually used an electronic staple gun, and then I found that because of the thickness of the hoops, that actually did not work. So I took apart a couple of the hoops and I decided to use E6000 glue and the clips to put together the hoops. I found that this was the most effective way to get all of the hoops to remain in place and to also ensure that I had the proper placement, because the hoops tended to slide and I noticed that they were a little crooked whenever I tried to use the electronic staple gun. So this is my attempt to fix what was done with the electric staple gun. Now that I have finished putting together all of the hoops, now it's time to install the orb by attaching it to the dining room fixture that is already there. One of the things that I'm doing that you're not able to see right now is that I found screws that were long enough to go through the wooden blocks, but thin enough to go through the holes that were already there to attach my orb to the existing light fixture. I'm ensuring that I have tightened this fixture on both sides so that I can begin to see my finished product. I will now remove the clips and the fixture is complete. So this is the finished product. So let's talk about the cost of this project. For the embroidery hoops that I found at Hobby Lobby, I spent $20.97. The Minwax stain, although I used a large container, this project can really be completed with one of those smaller containers at the cost of $4.96. Hyper Tough clamps that I use in order to hold all of those pieces together, I bought those at Walmart. You can actually purchase those at the link below, but I spent $4.74 on those clips. The structure in my dining room was originally brass. I spray painted it black, and I spent $5.94 on spray paint. So in total, I only spent about $40 to complete this project. I believe that if you already have things around your home like the spray paint and the clamps, you can actually complete this project for less. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more inexpensive design inspiration. Content will be uploaded weekly on Thursdays so that you can spend your weekends with Winnie. Bye!